Java, Python, C# or JavaScript are object-oriented programming languages. OOP has existed since 1960 with the creation of Simula. So what is OOP?
Hi, Chris here. Object-oriented programming is a style that represents real entities as simple objects. To structure pieces of code properly, everything is an object. How to map those entities into objects? With classes. Classes are just code, a blueprint for an entity divided into properties, data, and methods, behaviors. They are named as class members.
Consider book as a class. It has properties like number of pages, subject, color, and methods such as print, write, and distribute.
So, in order to create a book, we need to create an object. Instantiate the book class in code and implement all the properties and methods to represent our desired book. Now, let me introduce the 4 pillars of OOP. Abstraction. It reveals only essential information rather than sharing all the implementation details. It aims to keep plumbing code and critical details hidden from external sources. We're only interested in reading the content in a book rather than printing or shipping details. The second one is encapsulation. It groups data and functions within a single unit or class to protect them from external usage. By keeping the state and logic of an object isolated, we can ensure that it remains secure. Without permission or attribution, boots shouldn't access content from other boots. Inheritance. It creates a parent-child relationship between objects where properties and methods can be shared from a base or parent class. Child objects can extend parent functionalities. For example, an ebook or physical book can inherit properties from a base book, such as a number of pages, chapters, and subject. Polymorphism. It implements different behaviors from a standard class. While multiple shapes can be used, the main object remains constant. For example, consider printing a book using 2 different approaches, hardcover and paperback. The class book is the same, it includes the printing behavior, but the way it is printed using these 2 approaches is different. So why is it important to use OOP? Simplicity. Clear representation of real entities into objects. Expose the core functionalities to an object by using abstractions. Reusability. Inherit class members from parent classes. Define common behaviors of classes to be implemented in different ways. Flexibility, using composition, interfaces, abstract classes, and inheritance to add or adapt code changes appropriately. Security, hide concrete details with abstractions and restrict class member access through encapsulation. But there are some drawbacks. Overusability, analyze the test case to define which paradigm is a better option. Consider checking other paradigms like procedural programming or functional programming. Complexity, larger structures are challenging to handle and divide if you need to familiarize yourself with clean coding principles. Performance issues, intensive dynamic executions such as polymorphism in your software can lead to slower time responses and reduced optimizations. If you want to learn how to apply OOP in a programming language like C#, don't forget to subscribe. May the code be with you.